Everyone tells you to find the best AI tool for your workflow. They're wrong. Tools are a bottleneck. You don't need another subscription. You need an ecosystem. For the last 2 years, we've been obsessed with prompts and plugins. But if you're tracking the shift from large language models to agentic workflows, you know the game just changed. We've analyzed the capital flow into autonomous frameworks and the roadmap of the major AI labs. The pattern is undeniable. The era of the dashboard is dying. By 2026, the very concept of software as a service will feel like a relic. In this video, I'm breaking down why your current AI stack is actually a liability and how to position yourself for the agent era. We are moving from human in the loop to human on the loop. If you're an entrepreneur, a VC, or an early adopter, this is the only roadmap you need to survive the death of SaaS. Look at your browser tabs. ChatGPT for drafting, Claude for coding, Midjourney for visuals, Jasper for marketing. You think you're being productive, but you're not. You've just traded one kind of busy work for another. You've become a tool manager. You spend your morning copying text from one AI window, pasting it into another, and tweaking the prompt for a third. That's not automation. That's just digital manual labor. Here is the hard truth. Most AI tools today are just fancy wrappers. They are point solutions. They solve one tiny piece of a puzzle, but they leave you to put the puzzle together. As long as you are the bridge between these tools, you are the bottleneck. If you're paying for 15 different AI subscriptions, you aren't building a workflow. You're building a liability. The SaaS model is fundamentally broken. It sells you a hammer and tells you to build the house. But in a world of true intelligence, why would you want a hammer when you could just hire a builder who never sleeps? Stop searching for the perfect app. The problem isn't the tool. It's the interface. Every AI tool you've tried requires you to be the glue. You prompt ChatGPT, copy the text, move it to Notion, then paste it into Slack. That's not automation. That's just digital manual labor. The solution isn't a better tool. It's the agentic ecosystem. Here is the fundamental shift. We are moving from software as a service to outcome as a service. Think about it. Why do you pay for a CRM? To track leads. By 2026, you won't pay for a CRM. You'll deploy a sales agent. This agent doesn't have a dashboard. It doesn't have a login page. It doesn't need you to click export. It just has a goal: grow revenue by 20%. It finds the leads. It researches the company. It handles the objections. It books the meeting on your calendar while you sleep. The tool is the hammer. The agent is the carpenter. This is where the real money is. The orchestration layer. We're already seeing the seeds of this with frameworks like CrewAI and AutoGPT. But by 2026, these won't be for developers. They'll be the operating system of every business. Imagine a chief operations agent. It doesn't help you work. It manages your marketing agent, your finance agent, and your support agent. They talk to each other via APIs, not via a human clicking buttons. This is the death of the UI. If an AI can execute the task perfectly, why does it need a button? For the entrepreneurs and investors watching, stop building wrappers. Stop building AI-powered PDF readers or copywriting tools. Those are features, not companies. Build the infrastructure that allows agents to collaborate. Build the trust layer, where agents can authorize payments, verify identities, and sign contracts autonomously. That is the trillion-dollar opportunity. Because the most valuable AI tool of 2026 is the one you never have to open. Most people are still wasting time prompt engineering. The pros. They're architecting. That's why I've shifted my entire operation to the framework linked in the description. It's not another SaaS tool. It's an operating system for autonomous agents. I use this exact system to automate a high-ticket B2B lead pipeline that previously required 3 full-time employees. The result: 40 hours a week recovered and a 3x increase in conversion rates. Stop being the glue that holds your fragmented tools together. It's time to build an ecosystem that actually works while you sleep. Click the link below to get started with the same framework I use. Don't just use AI. Own the system